Hello YouTube. It's such a nice day out today. I'm out here in my shorts. I thought I'd demonstrate my new way to effect repairs. Let me get this around here. You get the camera around, focused on this new Dell computer, this laptop there. Test out the zoom function. There, isn't that a pretty picture? There's our Dell laptop computer. I'll be repairing it in one easy step. Oops! That was a good shot. Here, let's try the light. You know, let's get it up here a little bit better. Put the light on it there. Now for the next repair. Oh, that was a good repair job. There we go. Look at this Dell laptop up here real good. Up there. Let's put up this side here and get a good repair on the top part of that Dell there. Oh yeah, there goes a good shot. That's in it flying. That's today's video on Dell laptop repair.